Hi, I'm Millie. Welcome or welcome back to Live It Up with Mills. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you're new here or if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Also, please do hit on the bell icon below to be notified about all my future updates. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's video. In today's video, I wanted to share how to refresh my wavy curly hair. Now, this is my day 4 hair and I have just freshly refreshed it. If you like the results, then just keep watching. So let's first inspect the hair quality. So the hair's pretty much lost most of the definition except for some places where it still has got a little bit of definition. It's not greasy despite the fact that this is day 4. So today is Sunday, it's day 4, and I had done my shampoo on Thursday. And I've also worked out almost every day, including some high intensity workouts like, dance forms and all. And I had tied up my hair, I'd also styled my hair for a wedding. So I have done pretty much everything with this hair. Now if I see the back side has lost more definition, if you can see there's a lot of frizz here, especially because I kind of did a bun for that wedding. So it's the definition around that is almost gone. So I'm going to do the refresh with just some water while I've put it in this bottle of curl defining and frizz hair mist. It's not that, it's empty, so I filled it up with water. And I'm going to try the Hemp Hold Super Smelly Gel today. So this gel is, it's going to be my review for this gel as well. This gel is supposed to not have any paraben or any sulfates and any petroleum. However, it does have perfume, I have seen. It's made up of hemp oil, flaxseed, and rosemary. So let's see how this one works. So I'm just going to use these two products. I'm starting off by spraying some water on my hair. So I just want to wet it a bit. I should have ideally shampooed my hair today, but I just felt a little lazy. Also, it's winters, and once I got into the shower, I just didn't have the energy to wash my hair. But I have to style my hair because I have a wedding again today in the evening, which I need to attend. Also, I have work tomorrow, so my hair can't look like a complete mess. The reason why I'm using this empty this curls bottle is because it's got a very fine mist spray. You can also just put water on your hand and use spraying motion, so that's as good. But just because I had this, I'm making use. So just see the ends where they are really dried up. I'm trying to spray some more water there and get some moisture back. Now remember, when you're not washing your hair and you're kind of doing a refresh, your hair already has products. So you have to be very careful with the quantity of product you're using. Now I have no clue how much works with this. Let me start by taking a small portion. I've taken a really small portion. Let me see how it works. I'm just spreading it out in both my hands and just going in praying motions over this side. So I'm not doing any scrunching motions. Notice I'm just doing praying motions. Now I'm going to section it out. I'm going to leave the section on the back. Take a section on this side as well. Spray some more water. It's winter and it's quite dry. It's like drying up really fast. So again, on the ends, just be a little generous with the water on the end. Now I'm going to again take a small amount. Why I took a small amount is I realized while doing the other side that it's quite sticky to the touch. So I don't want my curls to get too weighed down by this. Now I have wavy type 2B, 2C curls. So too much of product might, I'm just doing a little scrunching motion because I'm seeing that my hair's lost most of the definition on this side. It has got a very, very strong perfume. If you're allergic to perfume, you might not like this. So taking some more product, I think you should go with very small quantities of this product. It's really, really sticky. So just following praying hands. The best thing about using praying hands is that it reduces all the frizz. Now I still have this portion left, and actually this portion is in the worst possible condition. So I need to first spray some water here before I start working on it. Now after having wet my hair on the back side also, I'm just taking a small portion, spreading it in my palm and just going in praying motions here, just smoothing the gel out on the hair. Now I'm going to take the whole hair back and inspect whether I can see any visible frizz. I don't see any visible frizz. And I also have to check for definition. I can see some frizz and loss of definition here. Try and help the clumps form over here. Now, any kind of refresh will never look as good as on wash day, but the aim is to try and make it look as frizz-free and as defined as possible. Now, if you see this here, it's lost almost all the wave. So I'll just try and spray some water. I'm not going to put any more product because it's got quite a lot of product now. I'll just put water to activate the product and just twist with my fingers to give it some curl. Just some little bit of definition which it seems to have lost. Even the hair here seems to have lost it. Again, I'm just going to give it a little bit of twist. So now you can just let this dry out if you're not in so much of a hurry, or if you are in a hurry, then you can just dry it out with a hair dryer. I try diffusing this to just get quick results. So I've done some quick diffusing, and if you see a lot of, so this still is not that great, but a lot of definition has come back to the hair. It's also looking shinier and frizz-free. If I can take some of the hair from the back and show you, it's looking quite frizz-free over there. If you see the hair here as well, so there's a lot of definition now which the hair had lost, and it's shiny. So I will have to let it dry out completely before I can scrunch out the crunch and then see the final results. So I'll share that with you once my hair is completely dried out. I'm back after having lunch and the hair's kind of dried out. Yeah, it has in fact. So now I'm going to scrunch out the crunch. And the hold, if you ask me right now, the hold is pretty strong. I hadn't expected the hold to be this strong, but maybe I should have guessed given that the gel itself was very thick and sticky. The hold as of now is quite strong. So I'm going to take this cast off. So there are two ways of doing it. You can, with your bare hands, just kind of take off that, and then there's another way of doing it in which you can put a little bit of oil and break out the gel cast. So I'm going to use a little bit of both, frankly. I'm first just, now I'm going to scrunch it up. The back portion also. And now I'm going to take some oil. I'm using the Juicy Chemistry Marula Argan and Lavender oil over here. I'm just going to take a little bit, very little. And with that, I'm just going to smoothen it out so that the hair also looks shiny. This gel did give a shiny look in itself, which they claimed also that it would. Yes, it did kind of give a shiny look. Then I'm going to take my fingers slightly in and shake out the curls. So the reason to do this is to create volume, otherwise the top generally tends to get very flat. So I'm just going to take my hand and be very gentle here. Don't do any rough movements. Just shake out the curls. Now you can also take your hair from one side to the other to kind of see whether there is any cast on the other side, and if you would want to take that out as well. So if you see, even in the insides, the curls have actually come out quite nice and shiny. I like how shiny it's come out, really. If you would want a side parting and you don't want that harsh middle parting to show, just need to put your hand in and gently shake it out. So that's the refreshed curls. If you ask me, it's come out quite well. Let's see how long it stays. I think it should stay long because the gel cast was pretty strong, and it also has given it a very shiny kind of a look. So that's the hair. Just see how nicely defined the curls are. I'll just turn back for you to see how it is on the reverse. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next week with a fresh new video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.